Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the exact gameplay moment you want. Set resolution to 1080p or 720p and choose 30 or 60 frames per second so motion looks smooth on TikTok. Once done, use the Xbox guide. Capture right arrow start recording or the hardware shortcut you mapped and stop when the moment ends. Make sure to trim on the console to about 15 to 60 seconds because TikTok favors shorter vertical clips, and shorter drafts make later editing faster and cleaner. Once you have the trimmed clip, transfer it to your phone using the Xbox mobile app or upload to OneDrive and download on your device. Wi-Fi keeps transfer fast and avoids data charges. Then edit for TikTok. Crop to a 9:16 vertical frame, add captions and quick cuts, and use speed ramps to emphasize action. Make sure you export at 1080x1920 with H.264 or HEVC and match a frame rate between 23 and 60 so TikTok plays it without re-encoding artifacts. You finish by opening TikTok and tapping the plus icon. Choose Upload, pick your edited clip, set a compelling cover and write a concise caption with hashtags and a trending sound to boost reach. Make sure to enable captions for accessibility and choose the thumbnail that highlights the gameplay moment. If uploading fails, check file format, codec, and size. Re-export in H.264 or HEVC at 1080x1920, or let TikTok convert the file. Retries after a reboot often clear temporary upload errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.